We're going to do two examples, a simple one and then a slightly more complicated one. The simple one is for a single button desktop fan. It has one button, a change speed button, and the output of the finite state machine sets the speed of the fan to off, slow, medium, or fast. To create a finite state machine, the first thing we do is define the states. We know that this fan has 4 states, so we'll define 4 bubbles, off, slow, medium, and fast, and give each one a unique number for traceability that can be useful later. That means our states are S1 off, S2 slow, S3 medium, and S4 fast. Every finite state machine needs a system reset arc, so let's put that in now so we don't forget. We've decided that when the power turns on, the fan should power up in the off state. Next, we apply side effects. S1 off, well, the speed is the output and the speed should be set to a value for stop. When we get to the code, we'll find out stop is some numeric constant value. With the other states, we also need to set the speed in each state, and it will be no surprise that for slow, we want the speed to be slow, medium, the speed is med, and for fast, the speed is fast. The fact that the state names look a lot like the side effect is because we chose the names that way. There's no inherent relationship between the state name and the side effect in terms of the words used. Next, we have to define some transitions. The first transition is if the fan's off and you want to turn it on, you press the change button once. And we've decided in this fan that pressing the change button from off moves the fan to slow speed. There are some fans that go from off immediately to high speed. We could have done that, and that's a design decision. But in this case, we decided to cycle the fan from off to slow, and then from slow to medium, medium to fast, and finally from fast to off. The implication is it takes 4 button presses to cycle through all the speeds. So pressing the button from off once is slow, press it again to get to medium, press it a 3rd time for fast, press it a 4th time for off. You might have encountered ceiling fans with pull chains that operate more or less this way. Okay, so this works, but it's kind of inconvenient because if the fan's at slow, you have to press the button 3 times to turn the fan off. Maybe customers would like to have a fan that you can turn off no matter what, but that will require a second button. We'll take a look at that type of design next.